This week I put together an arc reactor. Hi everyone, welcome back to the City Aperture channel. My name is Jose. I go by City Aperture. And as I showed earlier, or I showed in the intro, I put together an arc reactor. Another quick peek. There's arc reactor. And I want to get off right out of the top. I want to say this is not a sponsored thing. It's the Arc Reactor 1, Mark 1. But I got this from a discount website, essentially. I'll just tell you the name of them. It was at Wish. And the reason why I ordered this from Wish, and I ordered a couple other things from there, is I wanted to see, like, if I want to make some inexpensive props and you can buy kits off of this website, are they worth it? So we started with this one. I ordered a couple other things, and I'll show you guys that stuff at later videos. But, you know, we'll build it. There's Arc Reactor 1. It has the Stark Industry logo in the front. A little arc reactor on the side. We'll go ahead and get into the building, and then at the end of the build, I'll talk to you a little bit about my impressions of the kit itself and what I thought about it, and what I thought of the website, all that sort of stuff. So let's just go ahead and get to building. Okay, so this is everything that's in the bag. The instructions are in Chinese, I'm thinking, I guess. So that's, at least the images will help. It looks fairly straightforward to put together, so I don't think that'll be an issue. Comes with a paint pen, which I don't think, or paint marker, I don't think we're going to use. I'll have real paint. This cable connects to the LED lights, which is, you know, part of the big reason why I went with this kit. It comes with everything already. You know, I don't have to worry about sourcing the lights myself. I don't have to worry about the acrylic parts. So, you know, this comes ready, just plug and play. So I'll put the plug aside for now. And I think, just based on the instructions, we're going to start with this pieces and sort of start putting together the frame. I believe it's just to use glue. Not quite sure which kind of glue we're going to use here yet, but we'll figure it out. So let's go ahead and get started building. So now I'm going to make the highest ring, the one that has the copper wires on it. And I don't know if you can see it here, but there's this line. So this paper though comes off and it'll be clear, kind of like right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to score those lines in and peel off its section, because I got to glue this guy's glue here at the line. But if I don't have the line to see where they go, the spacing is gonna get all messed up. So I'm gonna score the line in the hopes that then it's visible on the plastic, and then we're gonna start gluing all the way around. So let's get to doing that. So actually the lines are already scored in, so I don't have to score. Stop it, chat. Back up. Back up. Then the lines are already scored. All you gotta do is you peel away the paper. And the lines are already there. So I just gotta peel away this paper and then glue this guy's right in place where the lines already are. Don't have to worry about anything else. So like you can see here, I didn't score those lines. And I don't know if you can see that. So let's just start gluing. Okay, well, these two parts are gonna get they marry each other. And what happens is this ring out here, the outer thickest ring, actually fits in the groove made by this guys. So we have to force it a little bit. Once this fits in there, this ring goes in the outer groove to put it all together. According to the instructions, I gotta cut it to fit it. So we'll see how it goes. But first, this guy goes in here, right? Like that, and it's gotta get pushed in. I guess it isn't. There we are. You see it? It fit right into those grooves. This guy is only gonna fit if I cut it and then put it in. So let's cut it. It says to use scissors, but I don't see why it'd be any different to use an X-Acto knife than scissors. Okay. So this goes here. Okay, I finally managed to get this ring around here. It was not easy, but and it doesn't quite meet at the end, and that's fine. I think I'm gonna go ahead and glue it into place now and go from there. And now we're gonna put this ring in there, glue it in place. Okay, so I've been wrapping the wire around the top of the arc reactor, and it's probably the most tedious thing here to do. So I've done all of them but once. I'll just show you how I do it. So you can see the last one. First I got a length of wire. Here you can see it comes with this little copper wire. Right? So we're just gonna start wrapping. And eventually I put it at the bottom. Give it a little bit of length. And then just start wrapping it through. And pushing it to the inside. Then I've just been putting a little bit of this electrical tape. I have pre-cut right here at the back end of it. Hold the wire in place. And then with some snippers, just cutting it off, and there you have it. That's it. Now let's attach it to the thing and we'll be good to go. Okay, we're at the last step for this Sits up here, somewhere in there. This guy, actually before we do that, it has 2 holes for the screws. And 1 solid one. This holds that guy in place. So put this on here. And we gotta try and line up the 2 of those holes, which is the hard part. It's locked in. And now we just gotta put it up. And there it is. There is our arc reactor. I'll get some better photos of it. Right. I'm done with it. It actually looks pretty cool. Oh wow. So there you guys go. That is how this Mark 1 arc reactor goes together. I have it on. There's a little toggle switch. You can turn it off. And then you can get, I'll put some photos up of the finished thing. But so why did I do it from Wish? It's not sponsored. They didn't give me any money. I wish. It's not on purpose either. Like I was saying earlier, is because I wanted to try some inexpensive things. I could have 3D printed most of the parts that are in here. I could have sourced the LEDs. I could have done a lot of that stuff. But for about 30 bucks, I got this shipped to me, and it's a kit that I can put together. And I don't have to worry about getting the LEDs to work properly. 3D printing part was probably easy there. I'll put a link in the notes, because there's places you can download the files for the arc reactor so you can 3D print them yourself, and then source the lighting and all of that stuff. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to sort of show you guys, order it from this place if you don't have a 3D printer, if you don't have the knowledge to source the LEDs and all that stuff. Where can you go get it? And this is not bad. I know some people, since I ordered, this is the first time I ordered from Wish. I've talked to other people about it, and they said, oh, I never got my stuff, or it took forever to get. It will take a long time for you to get your stuff off of that website. You have to kind of just be patient. But everything I've ordered has shown up. And, it's pretty good quality. A lot of the parts are metal. It's, I could have 3D printed it myself. I mean, they give you the wire. They gave everything for it. To me, it's worth it. We'll go over some other stuff I bought, and we'll determine whether it's worth it or not. But this one was worth it. If you don't have a 3D printer, if you don't want to spend the time sourcing the lights, this is not a bad option. And actually, it's probably not a bad option if you want to modify it to be the Mark II, or I don't know the marks of the arc reactors, like I know the suits, but I don't know the triangle. I think it's Mark III. Anyway, you could modify this. So yeah, overall, thumbs up for the Wish arc reactor. I'll put some links underneath so you guys can search for it and see if you decide to buy it yourself. And yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this build. If you have, subscribe, do the bell thing, all of that stuff. And I'll see you guys next week for another project. If you guys like this project, then maybe you'll enjoy the podcast that I do with my 2 colleagues, Claudia and Ray. We discuss purpose-driven design, making, and manufacturing. We talk about architecture. We talk about all sorts of making. We have a project of the week. So yeah, please check it out. Again, it's called The Made Podcast. Thanks so much.